I guess I started playing basketball when I was like a young age. So I guess competitively, I want to say like first grade. First grade, that's when I really started playing basketball on a team, and yeah, against other people.
Wonderful question. First of all, Paul, thanks for having us here. Actually, nag-decide akong maging strength competition coach. It was way back when I was in high school pa lang. So, when I was in high school, kasi diba, before, di ako inabot ng K to 12 eh. So, ayun, gratefully. Diba? So, pero,
Kasi po, nasama niya ako sa mga laro niya dati. And yun, parang yung kasama niya din yung mga tito ko, kaya nahiligan ko din na maglaro ng basketball. Tsaka nakikita ko yung tatay ko naglalaro. Siyempre, naingan niya din ako. So, yun.